Alright, quickly let me show you how to install QuickBooks Enterprise solution in 2025. Alright, this is the file. You double click to open, then this is a setup file. But first thing first, you have to open the crack, then right click on the keygen, run as administrator, click yes here, and then you can open the readme file so that you can actually go through the process of installation. Okay, then you open the product where you have the product numbers. Okay, the first number is what you're going to copy the first number here, and then go to the keygen and then paste it here, then click on generate. Okay, it will automatically generate the license number. Next, you want to to install the setup now. Okay, now go back and click on the setup. Before you click on the setup file to install, you will need to on your internet. You need to turn on the internet, right? Okay, you just have to follow this process step by step. Okay, turn on the internet here. Okay, my internet is turned on, and then you double click on this to install. All right, click yes, and then the installation process has just begun. Okay, you click on this QuickBooks license agreement and select the box. All right, select this box and click on continue. Go back to the keygen, then select this license number, paste the license number, then select the product number, also paste the product number and click on next. Okay, next, and then click on install. Once the installation is successful, you click on open QuickBooks. You have to run it. Okay, then select the first one here, Enterprise Solution General Business, then click next, and then click finish. Once this message pop up, you have to click on no, that you don't want automatic update occasionally. Just select no. Once we have successfully installed the software, you'll be asked to provide your activation key. Now let's begin the activation. You click on issue with activation, go to the keygen again, open the keygen, then click on validate and copy validation code. Paste here and then submit. Click finish. Just click on OK. So here you can see this is licensed to 5 users, so you can actually extend it to up to 300 users by selecting this help again. Then go to select manage my license, go to buy additional user license, go to the keygen again, and then select this 300 user validation code and paste it here, then click on next. Okay, all right, click finish. So you see you have 300 additional users added to this very software. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.